In this demonstration, the Crevavi team has developed a prototype for anti-pinch of power window for system safety. Anti-pinch mechanism is the one which detects the obstacle present on the window area and reverses the window direction accordingly. As you can see, the movement of power window without any obstacle controlled by window regulator switch for its upward and downward movement. Further, when object is detected, the increased pressure on window triggers the elevation in current. When current reaches its threshold level, it halts the window's upward motion and reverses its direction. This mechanism is used to enhance the safety feature of power window which prevents any kind of injuries. For this system to work, the hardware setup includes automotive-grade microcontroller, DC motor, motor drive, current sensor, dual switch, 12-volt DC supply and a window regulator kit. In future, this will be enhanced as when ignition is turned off, by reading the position of window, automatically all the windows must be closed. Crevavi is a research and development company. We focus on developing entire ECU stacks and would like to demonstrate many more ECU projects in coming days. Kindly stay tuned. Thank you for your patience. Kindly do visit our website mobility.crevavi.com, www.crevavi.com for future updates.